brick-made monster truck. You see that? Where the monster truck here? So you see, there's a beach buggy and a race car, and will be upcoming videos. So for today, we're gonna build a monster truck. So let's build this thing quickly. Hey guys, you see we built the monster truck. There are lights and an engine. You see, it's actually looking like in the box. There are synchopsers, which are these rubber parts. These parts can squish these parts, so the tires can go up and down. I hope you enjoyed my video. So if you want to watch more videos, you can subscribe and like the video. Bye!